Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you know, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So today I'm gonna talk about this great body cream. Now this is the Mixa Sensitive Skin Expert. Yeah, this is the red Mixa. If you've watched my videos, I've already talked about the blue Mixa and the yellow Mixa. So basically the yellow is for brightening, the blue is for hydration, and this one here is the Urea Cica Repair. So it says it's for very dry skin, rough skin. If you've got very textured skin and you want to smoothen it out, this is what it is for. Now it contains urea, obviously, and it contains amino acids. So urea is the active ingredient here, and it's a 10% urea cream. Now there are different kinds of urea creams, and you know the very good ones, the very effective ones are very expensive. Now this one right here is, I must say, hands down the best urea cream I have tried. For the price, it is the best ever. So I must say this is my favorite Mixa product, the red Mixa. That is the Mixa with urea, and it says you can use it on your face, on your body, on your hands. Now what does this do? Now if you've got very chapped skin, very dry skin, like you know your skin is not hydrated and you want hydration, you want to trap in the moisture, you actually want to put moisture into your skin, you need to give this a try. That is what it does. So urea creams are usually for people with super dry skin looking to put moisture into their skin. And I must say it has a very nice, pleasant smell. The consistency is very smooth. Yeah, I mean, it's a cream, so it's on the thicker side, but then a pea amount goes a long way. It is not greasy. You don't have to keep on massaging for minutes to get it to absorb into your skin. Now, one thing I love about this is the fact that when you use it, you see the effect the very first day. Say you use it this evening, you go to bed, and you wake up the next morning, you feel the hydration still in your skin. Now, if you've got those kind of little rashes, little blemishes around your elbow area, around your back area, around your belly area, you need to get this. I'll insert a picture in the video so you know what I'm talking about. You need to get this Mixa red urea and amino acids. It's hands down very affordable, and it walks the talk. Like, don't waste money, don't waste time. If you want something effective, get this. If you've got dry skin, this will be your best friend. When you use it during the day, you can feel the moisture still in your skin. It does not, escape your skin. Now, comparing this to CeraVe, comparing it to Cetaphil, this, I must say, is better, way better. Looking at the price, this costs about 9 to 10 euros, like it's under 10 euros, yeah. But then CeraVe Cetaphil costs 2 times the price, but then the results is crazy. So if you are looking for something affordable, something effective, this is a 400 ml. There's a lot, yeah. It's gonna last for more than a month, yeah. So great, you can use it on your face. It doesn't irritate the skin. It puts moisture into your skin. It removes blemishes, gets rid of textured skin, those little uncomfortable bumps and rashes on your back area, on your elbow area, on your knee area. You can apply this, and yes, it's gonna get rid of it. So yes, I must say it actually walks the talk. Like, this is a 10 out of 10. Like, I have never seen an affordable urea cream which actually traps in moisture. It really gets rid of the dryness in your skin and the unnecessary blemishes that we all don't like. So yes, Mixa Urea Cica Repair. You need to get this. I mean, this is also good for your feet. Like, if you've got dry, chapped feet, dry, chapped hands, you put this on your hands and you see the improvements. You can kiss your dryness and your chapped skin goodbye. So yes, I don't want to talk a lot. It's a good product. I give it a 10 out of 10. There is nothing negative about this. It smells good, it's affordable, walks the talk. Okay, guys, so I hope I did help you. Have you tried this before? Are you thinking of trying this? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.